Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make your phone number private on your iPhone device. So just as a quick side note before I do get stuck into this video, depending on where you are in the world and your specific country, your government may actually block the ability for your device to go on private. So I thought I would just throw that out there, as I've seen many other comments on a lot of videos where people are actually wondering why they can't do this. So if you do not have the ability to make your phone number private, that is most likely the reason. So anyway, I'm going to get stuck straight into this video, and the first thing I want to do is just go into settings. Now once I'm in here, I just want to scroll down to the phone tab of the settings, so I can just find that here. So I'll just go ahead and tap this. So once you're in this area, you just want to look for the Show My Caller ID tab. So I can just go ahead and tap on this. And right here we have the ability to now disable the caller ID, as this is on by default. So all I have to do now is just go ahead and deselect this. So now whatever phone I do call, my number will be private and fully blocked from them being able to see my phone number. And just as an additional step, if you are looking to actually block yourself from receiving unknown calls, you can just go ahead to the silence unknown calls area, and then you can just go ahead and turn that on. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys on how to show your phone number as unknown on the iPhone. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, please share your ideas down below, as I'll be happy to make more videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.